In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create proxy link in Systeme.y. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to save a clean branded link that forwards to the page you want. A proxy link is simply a friendly link on your own domain that redirects visitors to a destination URL while still crediting the right affiliate. It's great for trust, tracking, and making links easier to share. Start by signing in and heading to your main dashboard. From there, look toward the top right of the interface for the sales menu. Open it, then choose My Affiliate Program. This brings you to the area where you control affiliate settings for your offers. Next, select Affiliate Program Settings. Inside this settings page, locate the section labeled Affiliate Proxy Links. That's where you'll create and manage the links that point to external pages while keeping your affiliate attribution intact. Click Create to start a new proxy link. You'll first see a field for the label. Think of this as the internal name for your link. Use something clear and specific so you can recognize it later, like the product name or the campaign it belongs to. Keeping a tidy naming convention will make your list of links easier to navigate as you grow. If your audience needs it, choose another language from the language selector. This setting helps align the link presentation with the language used on your destination page or your funnel. If you work with multiple locales, set this appropriately so affiliates and visitors see consistent messaging. Next, type or paste the destination URL. Use the full final URL, including HTTPS. If you use tracking parameters, add them here so they carry through the redirect. It's a good idea to double check that the page loads correctly in a separate tab before saving. Now select the domain you want to use for the proxy link. Pick a domain that's connected to your Systeme account and matches your brand for the best click-through and trust. Using a familiar domain helps reduce friction for visitors and keeps your links consistent across campaigns. Once everything looks right, review your entries, the label, the language, the destination URL, and the chosen domain. When you're confident, click Save. That's it. Your new proxy link will be created under Affiliate Proxy Links and is ready to use in your promotions. Keeping labels descriptive, URLs clean, and domains consistent will make managing your affiliate setup smoother and your analytics clearer over time.